Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Lumsden is a small town located about 30 kilometers northwest of Regina, Saskatchewan. Nestled in the Qu'Appelle Valley, Lumsden stands out for its natural scenery, something not commonly associated with the flat prairie landscape that defines much of Saskatchewan. Today, Lumsden has a population of around 2,000 people, offering a quieter, small-town lifestyle within easy reach of the provincial capital. Lumsden's history dates back to the late 1800s, when settlers arrived in the area attracted by the fertile land and access to water from the Qu'Appelle River. The town was officially established in 1881 and later became an important stop along the Canadian Pacific Railway. This railway connection helped support agriculture and trade, allowing the community to grow and develop over time. One of the defining features of Lumsden is its location within the Qu'Appelle Valley. Unlike the surrounding plains, the valley offers rolling hills, tree-lined slopes, and a more varied landscape. This natural setting has made Lumsden a popular place for outdoor activities, including hiking, cycling, and fishing. The Qu'Appelle River itself has played an important role in shaping both the geography and the history of the area. Agriculture has long been a foundation of Lumsden's economy. The surrounding region is known for grain farming and other agricultural activities which continue to support the local economy today. Over time, the town has also become a residential community for people who work in Regina but prefer to live in a quieter, more scenic environment. This blend of rural and commuter life has helped Lumsden maintain steady growth. Lumsden has also experienced its share of challenges, particularly from flooding. Due to its location in the valley, the town has been affected by several significant floods over the years, including major events in 1974, 2011, and 2014. These floods caused damage to homes and infrastructure, but the community has consistently rebuilt and adapted. Another notable feature of Lumsden is its connection to the broader history of the Qu'Appelle Valley. The name Qu'Appelle comes from a Cree legend, often translated as "Who Calls," reflecting the deep indigenous history of the region long before European settlement. This cultural background remains an important part of the area's identity today. For visitors, Lumsden offers a different perspective on Saskatchewan. While much of the province is known for its wide-open plains, this town provides a landscape of hills, trees, and water that feels distinct and inviting. Its proximity to Regina makes it easy to visit, while its slower pace and scenic setting encourage people to take their time and explore. Today, Lumsden continues to balance its historical roots with modern living. It remains a place shaped by agriculture, influenced by its natural surroundings, and strengthened by its community spirit. For travelers, it offers a clear and authentic look at life in the Qu'Appelle Valley, quiet, resilient, and closely connected to the land. Thanks for watching!